Alright guys, I just wanted to take a quick moment to upload here today and say thank you guys for all the motivation, all the inspiration and everything. We hit 600 subscribers. I can't believe we did that so quick, and thank you for everyone who's commenting on all my posts and just telling me that, just everyone who's helping me manifest this dream of becoming a social influencer and chasing everything. I thank you guys for everything. I do want to let you know that I have big plans in store for the Hellcat in the channel. I already started investing in everything. I'm pretty sure you guys just got a sneak peek if you were paying attention in the video. But in time, I'll have it come out. Next weekend, I have a huge video planned for you guys. So stay tuned for that. And really, I just wanted to say thank you guys for everything, because in the last 2 years that I've packed everything up, moved to Florida away from my family and everything, it hasn't been the easiest thing to do. And I've lost a lot of friends, lost a lot of people that I cared about. And the last 2 years I haven't been really too happy. And you guys are really, like, these last couple weeks, like, you guys have made me so happy seeing all the support and everything, and I really just wanted to upload a video and say thank you. And I want to make the best content for you guys. I don't want to force a video or do a trash video and upload it. I want to do the best that I can, because this right here is my dream job. I actually just quit my job so I can go find another job that will give me the time and I can have the energy to make videos and do whatever I want. Sorry, that's Rob's crying in the background. But again, thank you guys for the support and your patience. And I promise I'm gonna have videos coming out here soon. And thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.
Take me home.